bucks. I'm a buck out there.
That's the only reason why I wear the shirt when I go on vacation, because it gets a lot of comments.
Yeah, yeah. I'm a Buckeye fan, man. I love my Buckeye. Keep that money coming, buddy. Keep that money coming. You guys are gonna see right here. What part of Ohio y'all from?
Between the
no electricity. These guys were expected to come in here and load 10 tons of coal. This is 1 ton. These guys were expected to load 10 ton every day with a pick and shovel. They got paid 20 cents a ton, $2 a day. But they didn't get paid because they owed their soul to the company store. My daddy worked almost 50 years in the coal mine. He owed. Methane is a deadly gas that's found in most coal mines, guys. There is no gas in this coal mine. If you look right here, it says fire boss. Fire boss is the person that comes into the mines and inspects the mine before anybody comes in. This mine is inspected every morning. 8 o'clock every morning, 7 days a week, there's an inspection goes on in this coal mine. Us tour guides, we take turns fire bossing this mine. We don't ride through here. Mines were today. When I worked in the mines, if you look right over here, there's a red battery pack. That battery pack would hook onto your belt, and that long cord would run up your back, and that headpiece would hook onto your hard hat. That's what I wore for 23 years. But they did away with the battery pack and that long cord. All you got is the kerosene in here. You light your wick. You stick this on your hat. That's all the light you had. This light would only last about 2.5 hours. And then you had to fill up with more kerosene. And you had to buy your own kerosene. Where would you buy that at?
Company store.
The company store is where you get everything that you own came from the company store. After that light, they came out with another light here, and this light is called the carbide light. Some of you guys may be familiar with the carbide light. I've heard a whole lot of stories about what people's done with these carbide lights. And most of it's been illegal stuff, but that's what young guys do. Guys, you got carbide in this section and water in this section, but when you mix the water with the carbide, you get what they call acetylene gas. We got some water. See that gas coming up out of there? That's called acetylene gas, guys. And then you go yabba, dabba, do. Talk to me, somebody. Talk to me, somebody. I can't hear you guys. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Who's the man? Hey, who is the man? Give me some, baby. Who's the man?
You're the man.
That's what they tell me. They say I'm the man. Guys, that's called the carbide light. I want to turn the lights out so you guys can see how it looked in here. Check this out. This is how it looked when the guys were in here working, guys. This is all the light they had. Wow. But keep in mind, the roof would only be about this high. You in here digging your tin? Hey guys, are y'all familiar with... That's right, I'm in the video with Brad Paisley, guys. Who's the man? You the man! across the bottom. You see how that's been dug out under the bottom? The miner comes in here, and he's got a pick that he had to purchase himself. From where? The company store. He's laying down in the mud and water. There would be no gravel here, guys. He has to dig that bottom coal 12 foot wide, 4 foot deep under there. He's got to dig that out to get his undercut. Each miner does this. Once he gets his undercut, he comes in here with a 4 foot coal drill, 4 foot. He lays in the mud and water with his chest here. He has to drill 3 holes, 4 foot deep. Everybody can't see. You guys may have to come a little bit closer, but you do whatever you feel that you need. The reason for that undercut is so when he shoot the coal will fall down. Coal has somewhere to fall. But after he gets that done, after he drill his hole, he put black powder in those holes. Then he put clay dummies in there. He takes this tamping rod. He packs it real tight. Then he puts a fuse in there. He runs that fuse all the way around the corner. Before he lights that fuse, he has to light that fuse. Boom! He shoots that coal. That coal falls down. When the coal falls down, rock falls down also. Now, you know what happens if you're seeing rock outside mixed in with the coal. You're going to lose money. Yeah. So you got to hand pick all the rock out of the coal. Then you got to get this bad boy. I hated this thing when I worked in the mines. I hated this thing. Now you been over. You got to load 10 tons of coal every day with the shovel. Out in that coal museum, you go out there, guys, they got pictures of coal miners wall to wall out there. One of them pictures out in that museum out there is my daddy. The roof from falling. Years ago, they used these wooden posts that you see up and down each side. These wooden posts are called timbers. Timbers were used for years and years until they got to the point where they couldn't. Little bit. Okay, guys. This is stop number 4, and this stop talks about yesterday as well as today. Got to go through the coal mines today. That's how big and wide they are, guys. One thing the coal miners had in common, yesterday's coal miners, today's coal miners. These guys would shoot that coal, boom, 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 all day long. They shoot that coal. The dust would boil. I've got to drop it out, but normally you just hold on to it until you get your roof bolted and then you push it up in the hole. But if I poke a hole in this, I got to go up them steps and talk to the boss lady, and I don't want to go up there today. But anyway, you got the tube of glue already in the hole, and you're holding that tube of glue, and you take this roof bolt and you push that tube of glue further up in the hole. Guys, you push it up to right here in that machine, he will spin it really fast. He's busting open that tube of glue, mixing the glue, 5 to 10 seconds. Then he presses it against the top, and he holds it for about 10 seconds until that glue sets up. Once that glue sets up, this is what you got. Those plates you see over top of your head, guys, is this right here. And this right here is what's keeping that top from falling on your head. Deadly. If one of these fall on your head, you can turn out the lights because the party is over. The party's over. They have a nickname. They call them widowmakers. The miners break off a piece of sandwich, cakes, cookies, donuts, crackers, whatever they got, they pitch it out and they feed the rats. While the rats eat, you eat. The old miners tell you feed the rats. Rats will save your life. You working here. The top start bumping, cracking, or falling down in that area. Guys, the rats gonna come boogieing up through here. Drinking their water. Did you get it, sir? That's what they did. How about that, guys? Anybody take